Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and they sent me this beautiful 10-inch Yaki bob. Okay, so this is our beautiful girl here. It has that beautiful scalloped cut. You don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to bleach the knots or tint the lace. And this is what we look like from the inside. Drawstrings have been the best thing since sliced bread lately. Ooh, she fits nice and flat and smooth, and the lace definitely is very nice as it blends really well. You guys can see it just goes lower than my ear and it goes in the front. We don't really want to bond that down, so I'm going to take and I'm going to cut that off, trying to leave as much of the hair and not cut too far into the hair. Little piece like this, and you can for sure keep this if you are a girly who likes to wear braids and stuff as summer is coming up. I love the idea of using these little pieces that you cut off to make a fake hairline if you are going for the vibe. Okay, so this is what we are working with. She's definitely not even just flawless, she's absolutely perfect. So these are the two colors, and I'm kind of like, right now I feel like in the camera it looks like I'm very much in between. This is closer to my shade, especially this darker one I believe. And then I'm just gonna mix the two colors, and I'm just gonna go in and pack this along the parting space. Love to do this really quickly, and then I'm gonna do the shade 16 along the hairline, and this is gonna give me the perfect hairline, and hopefully no flashback, no cast or anything like that. And this here is the look Love Bugs. Super simple, quick and easy. We can add a little just to give it a little bit of a finishing touch. I feel like this was so good, so easy to achieve. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Absolutely gorgeous.